Most people in this category spend weeks researching and still end up with regret. Not because they made the wrong choice, because nobody told them what actually matters. This review is going to be different. I am going to tell you the things most reviewers skip. You have probably read the spec sheets. You have seen the star ratings, and you are still not sure. That uncertainty is not a you problem. It is a signal that most reviews are written by people who spent 45 minutes with a product, not 45 days. The question you are really asking is not what this product does. The question is whether it is going to actually change anything for you. That is the question I'm going to answer. I tracked this product through multiple price cycles before sitting down to record this. I compared it against the alternatives that serious buyers in this category actually consider. And I looked at what happens after the purchase, not just before. The Ring Alarm 8-piece kit newest model, home or business security system with optional 24/7 professional monitoring earns its place by doing something specific very well. That something starts with brand, visit the Ring store. What that means in your day-to-day is that you stop compensating for what your last product got wrong. The second thing worth paying attention to is about this item. A great fit for 1 to 2 bedroom homes. This kit includes 1 base station, 1 keypad, 4 contact sensors, 1 motion detector, and 1 range extender. Includes an intuitive keypad that can arm and disarm your alarm and contact sensors that detect when doors or windows open. Choose the Ring Alarm kit that fits your needs and detect even more with additional alarm sensors and accessories sold separately at any time. Receive mobile notifications when your system is triggered and monitor all your Ring devices all through the Ring app. More peace of mind. Subscribe to a compatible Ring Protect plan sold separately to arm your alarm from anywhere. Keep your system online if the Wi-Fi goes down, and more. Plus, get 24/7 professional monitoring for emergency police, fire, and medical response, and more. Better with Alexa arm and disarm your Ring alarm using only your voice with a Ring Protect subscription sold separately. See more product details. Not in a test environment. In the situations where you actually need it to perform. That difference shows up in ways that are hard to quantify on a spec sheet. The third element is build quality that lasts. If you have ever replaced something ahead of schedule because it stopped holding up, you already understand why this matters more than any single feature. The feedback pattern on this model is unusual in one specific way. Buyers who come in skeptical end up leaving the same reviews as the people who were already excited. That kind of convergence across different buyer types is not something you see often. It tells you something real about consistency of experience. There's one limitation I want you to know before you decide. A price that reflects real value. Not everyone will weigh that the same way, and I understand that. If that specific thing is a deal breaker for your situation, I respect that completely. But for the majority of buyers who are looking at this product, the overall trade-off still lands clearly on the right side. Pricing on this model has not been stable. I have watched it move enough times that I would not trust any number I write here today. The figure you see right now is not what I saw a month ago. And it is probably not what you will see in another month. Sometimes, that movement is upward. Sometimes it is a significant discount. The only way to know which side you are on right now is to check the live link. Amazon prices on this model are moving constantly. I have placed the link below so you can check if the current discount is still live.